Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made these delicious coconut flakes or chips or coconut candle right here. First, I will break open the coconut. Just so you know, I used 3 coconuts for this recipe. Next, I'll rinse the coconuts. After rinsing, I will transfer into a bowl. Next, I'll remove the shell. You can leave it if you want, though it takes time, but I don't like it in my coconut chips, flakes, or candle. Next, I will use a grater to grate the coconuts. Next, I will add half cup of honey into the coconut water. You can use sugar. Personally, I prefer honey. Next, I'll pour coconut water and honey mixture into a pan. I will add the grated coconut. I will continue stirring on a low heat until it changes from white to golden brown. So guys, I added another 1/3 cup of honey to the coconut. After stirring continuously on a low heat for 25 minutes, guys, as you can see, it's starting to change from yellow to golden brown, but not very cooked at this point. After stirring for another 15 minutes, my coconut chips, my coconut flakes, my coconut candle is ready now. Growing up, this was one of my favorite snacks. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.